The Amazon rainforest covers over 2 million square miles and remains one of the least explored places on Earth. From the largest snake ever discovered to a river that literally boils everything alive, let's uncover 25 incredible findings that scientists are calling the most significant Amazon findings in decades. Bushmasters are pit vipers native to Central and South American forests. They are distinctively built with broad, triangular heads and the characteristic heat-sensing pits located between the eyes and nostrils, allowing them to detect warm-blooded prey in low light. Their coloration consists of mottled blotches, which help them blend into the leaf litter and forest floor environment. Of all viperids, they are among the longest. Adult bushmasters typically reach around 2 millimeters, and exceptional individuals may approach 3 millimeters. They are often described as the longest vipers in the Americas, and among the longest vipers in the world. Their venom is potent and medically significant. Despite this, bushmasters are generally secretive, forest-dwelling snakes that avoid humans. Bites are relatively rare. When they do occur, it is typically because the snake was accidentally encountered or otherwise startled, rather than seeking out people. Next to a creature so clever that it builds fake versions of itself to survive. Some orb-weaver spiders of the genus Cyclosa have been observed in the Peruvian Amazon building decoy structures, using leaves, dead insects, plant debris, and silk that are hung in their webs and resemble extra spiders. One such species, undetermined, but possibly new to science, builds a large fake spider model in its web and then positions itself near it, shaking the web to enhance the illusion. Researchers believe this is a specialized defense mechanism against predators by confusing them as to which object in the web is the actual spider. Since Cyclosa spiders are already known for decorating their webs with debris in regular geometric or linear patterns, this behavior is seen as a further elaboration of that web decoration strategy. Would you be brave enough to get close to a web if you knew one of the spiders might actually be a decoy? Let's discuss in the comments section. Central and South America, including some species in the Amazon region. Many species have translucent or even nearly transparent skin on their underside, belly or chest, through which internal organs like the heart, liver, and intestines can sometimes be seen. This remarkable transparency is believed to help them avoid predators by making their outline blend into the leaf surface and reducing visual contrast. Adult size varies by species. The glass frogs, family Centrolenidae, are small tree frogs native to tropical ECs, but many are only about 2 to 7 centimeters long. There have been videos and claims by visitors to the Amazon rainforest of seeing odd or unexplained creatures or shapes in tree foliage, sometimes interpreted as extraterrestrial-looking. The region's remoteness and dense forest have contributed to the mystery around such sightings. 2 British travelers recorded a video in the Amazon where they claimed to see a strange, unfamiliar creature. When attention is drawn to a nearby tree, it seems as though an extraterrestrial figure is present there. The Amazon is a dense rainforest. Perhaps a rare form of life could remain hidden from the rest of the world. The video is also said to come from a region known for frequent UFO reports. Many viewers have labeled it a hoax, saying the scene is only a trick of lighting rather than a real animal. The Brazilian wandering spider, genus Phaneutria, is indeed considered among the most dangerous spiders because its venom contains powerful neurotoxins that can cause intense pain, muscle spasms, paralysis, and breathing difficulties in humans. Unlike many spiders that stay on a web, this species roams the forest floor at night in search of prey, which is how it earned its wandering name. Adults are fairly large for spiders, with leg spans reaching around 5 to 6 inches in some cases. They are also well known for their defensive posture when threatened, raising their front legs and sometimes lunging or moving rapidly towards a perceived threat. Although potentially very dangerous, human deaths are now rare thanks to antivenom and medical intervention. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any future episodes. Don't forget to share it with your friends too. It helps the channel out, and I'm excited to continue bringing you more awesome content. And now, we move from spiders to a predator that ruled both land and water. The jaguar stands as one of the Amazon rainforest's most iconic and respected predators. Known for its striking coat marked with rosettes, the jaguar is the largest big cat in the Americas, and the 3rd largest in the world, after tigers and lions. Adult males can weigh roughly 100 to 250 pounds, with some exceptional individuals reaching even higher. Their head-to-body length can approach 5 to 6 foot, and their tail may add another 2 to 2.5 foot. Their strength and powerful jaws allow them to hunt a wide range of prey in their territory, including caimans, large snakes, deer, capybaras, and other animals of the forest and river edges. Jaguars have a unique killing method among big cats. They often deliver a fatal bite directly through the skull of their prey, between the ears, to pierce the brain. They are also unusually comfortable with water for a big cat, swimming and hunting in rivers, and their aquatic ability helps them catch fish, turtles, and other creatures living in or around water. The giant Amazon leech, Hymenteria gillionii, is far from the average leech. It can grow up to about 18 inches in length, making it one of the largest leech species in the world. These leeches are blood-sucking parasites. They feed on the blood of vertebrates, including mammals. Unlike many smaller leeches, this species uses a long needle-like proboscis and injects anticoagulant enzymes into the host's blood, so it continues to flow while feeding. Interestingly, the anticoagulant protein from this species has drawn scientific interest for its effects on blood clotting. Research into how leech saliva prevents clotting may one day inform therapies related to circulation and clot prevention. The red-bellied piranha is one of the Amazon basin's most famous freshwater fish. These medium-sized creatures are named for the red coloration on their undersides. Adults typically grow to around 10 to 14 inches in length, though size can vary. What they lack in bulk, they make up for with their reputation. These fish have razor-sharp, triangular teeth and strong jaws that allow them to bite flesh and dismantle prey effectively. Their diet includes fish, insects, aquatic invertebrates, and sometimes larger animals or flesh when available, but they also scavenge on dead or injured creatures rather than consistently attacking large healthy animals. The red-bellied piranha is famous for the idea of a feeding frenzy, where schools of piranha swarm and devour large animals in minutes. Such behavior is very rare in the wild and is typically triggered only under unusual circumstances, such as extreme stress, injury, or starvation, rather than being a normal hunting strategy. Would you dare to swim in the same river knowing red-bellied piranhas are nearby? Let us know in the comments below. A lizard known as the Jesus Christ lizard is the green basilisk. This nickname comes from its remarkable ability to run across the surface of the water. When danger approaches, the basilisk sprints toward a stream and continues across its surface without sinking. Its long toes, lined with tiny fringes, hit the water so fast that they trap pockets of air, creating enough lift to keep it moving with each step. To stay on top of the water, a basilisk must move at about 5 feet per second, taking up to 20 steps every second, with its legs moving so fast they blur to the human eye. High-speed studies reveal that each stride produces just enough force to hold the lizard's weight for a split moment. This amazing ability has inspired research in biomimetics, helping scientists explore surface tension, fluid movement, and ways to travel across unstable surfaces. The findings are now influencing designs in robotics and aquatic technology. Yet back on land, another 8-legged hunter silently rules the forest floor. Tarantulas are among the Amazon rainforest's most distinctive creatures, with their large size and hairy bodies. Amazonian tarantulas include many different species, each with its own patterns and colors, from dark blacks and browns to more vibrant hues. Although they may look fearsome, tarantulas are not generally aggressive toward humans, and will only bite if they feel threatened or provoked. Their hunting method is especially fascinating. Many species are ambush predators, lying in wait in burrows or hidden places for prey, such as insects, lizards, or small mammals to pass by, then striking quickly and using venom to subdue the victim before eating. During mating, males must approach females with great caution, performing courtship behaviors so they are not mistaken for prey themselves. Deep in the Amazon rainforest, scientists from Yale University discovered an extraordinary fungus known as Pestalodiopsis microspora. What makes this fungus truly special is its ability to live and grow, even in places with little or no oxygen, a characteristic that could play an important role in solving the global problem of plastic pollution. Out of nearly 60 fungal samples studied, Pestalodiopsis microspora proved to be the most promising because it can break down certain types of plastic. This unique ability makes it a strong candidate for use in areas where oxygen is limited, such as deep ocean environments where traditional waste management is nearly impossible. While research on using this fungus to manage plastic waste on a large scale is still in the early stages, scientists remain hopeful about its future applications. The fungus is harmless to medical plastics and poses no threat to human health, focusing only on degrading waste materials. This discovery highlights the Amazon's importance, not just as a center of biodiversity, but also as a source of potential solutions to some of the world's most serious environmental challenges. The black caiman is a true giant among the creatures of the Amazon basin, and it is not a predator to be underestimated. This enormous reptile is one of the largest crocodilians in the region, and the biggest member of the alligator family. In rare instances, it can grow up to about 20 feet in length, though typical adults are somewhat smaller. The caiman is not only large, it is also a very capable and powerful hunter. Its massive jaws and strong body allow it to prey on fish, birds, reptiles, and mammals that approach the water's edge. While it does not seek out humans, it can be dangerous when defending territory or nests. In decades past, black caimans were heavily hunted for their valuable hides. Fortunately, conservation efforts have been put in place to protect them and allow populations in some areas to rebound. The electric eel is one of the Amazon River's most electrifying inhabitants. This creature is not a true eel but a type of knife fish, and it holds an extraordinary ability to generate powerful electric shocks. It can produce shocks of around 600 volts or more, which is enough to stun prey and deter predators. Electric eels can grow up to about 6 to 8 feet in length, and they spend most of their lives along the muddy bottoms of rivers and tributaries in the Amazon basin. Their diet primarily includes fish, amphibians, and occasionally small mammals that fall into the water. They locate prey by emitting a low-voltage electric field that helps them sense movement in murky water. Once they detect a potential meal, they deliver a high-voltage shock to disable it. But not every giant of the Amazon is terrifying. Some are surprisingly social and intelligent hunters of their own. The giant otter is the largest otter species in South America, with adults reaching lengths of around 55 to 6 feet from head to tail. Its size, together with its social and playful behavior, has earned it the local nickname, river wolf. Though generally known for its friendly group dynamics, the giant otter is also a highly skilled predator. With streamlined bodies built for water, they hunt mainly fish, but they are known to take on larger or rarer prey such as snakes, piranha, and even small caimans. They live in tightly coordinated family groups, and will aggressively defend their territory, young and dens if threatened, using their numbers and teeth. Deep in the Ecuadorian rainforest stands a remarkable tree known as Socratea exoriza, or the walking palm. This unusual plant has fascinated both scientists and local people because of its strange way of adapting to life in the jungle. Its tall stilt-like roots rise above the forest floor, giving the impression that the tree can slowly walk through its surroundings. When the soil beneath it becomes unstable or shaded, the walking palm grows new roots toward firmer ground or better light, while its older roots die off. Over time, this process can shift the tree's position by several meters, helping it survive in the ever-changing environment of the rainforest. Although scientists still debate whether the tree truly moves or only appears to, its structure shows an impressive survival strategy. Socratea exoriza remains a striking example of nature's creativity, proving how even a tree can adapt in remarkable ways to the challenges of the Amazon. Deep in the Amazon rainforest lives the infamous bullet ant, Paraponera clavata, known for delivering one of the most painful stings in the animal kingdom. Growing up to 2.5 centimeters in length, this large black ant injects a strong neurotoxic venom called poneratoxin, which overstimulates nerves and muscles. Those who have been stung describe the pain as intense waves of burning and throbbing that can last for a full day, often compared to the feeling of being shot, which inspired its name. Bullet ants build their nests at the bases of trees, where colonies are protected by fierce workers ready to defend their territory with precision and persistence. Despite their fearsome reputation, these ants play an important role in the rainforest ecosystem by preying on other insects and helping to enrich the soil. For the Satere-Mawe people of Brazil, the bullet ant's sting holds cultural and spiritual meaning. Young men take part in a coming-of-age ceremony where they wear woven gloves filled with live ants, and must endure the stings without showing pain, a test of courage, strength and transformation. Would you be able to endure the bullet ant sting for even a few seconds like the Satere-Mawe warriors do? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and follow the channel to discover more interesting things. This tree is another wonder of the Brazilian forest. While most fruit trees hang their fruit from branches, the Jabuticaba tree bears fruit on its trunk and older branches, giving the impression that the tree is covered in grapes. There is an evolutionary advantage to this trait. By fruiting on its trunk, The tree makes its berries accessible to animals that walk rather than climb, helping seed dispersal. Known commonly as the Brazilian grape tree, the Jabuticaba is native to parts of southeastern Brazil, including the state of Rio de Janeiro. In addition to its dark purple fruit, the tree produces clusters of white flowers on its bark. The Harpy Eagle is one of the Amazon rainforest's largest and most formidable raptors. With a wingspan approaching about 6.5 to 7 feet and massive talons among the largest of any eagle, the Harpy Eagle is built to tackle serious prey, including sloths and monkeys. This bird of prey lives high in the rainforest canopy, where it reigns supreme. Its striking appearance includes a gray feathered crest on its head that can be raised or lowered, dark upper parts, and a mainly white underside. Its strong beak is designed for tearing flesh from prey. Reproduction in the Harpy Eagle is slow. They form long-term pairs, often breeding only once every 2 to 3 years, and typically raise a single chick during each breeding cycle. The Candiru, often called the vampire fish, is one of the Amazon River's most talked-about creatures. This small, slender freshwater catfish is best known for its unusual and unsettling reputation. Unlike most fish that feed on plants or small animals, the Candiru is a blood-feeding parasite that primarily feeds on the gills of larger fish. It is widely believed that this fish can swim up a stream of urine into the urethras of people bathing in Amazon waters. Once inside, the story goes, it lodges itself and becomes extremely difficult and painful to remove. While the Candiru's legend is best known, in reality, it poses very little risk to humans and is largely a parasite of other fish. The myth persists, but scientifically, it remains largely unverified. The golden poison frog may be small, but it's one of the most remarkable creatures on the planet. Its brilliant golden color isn't just beautiful, it's nature's way of sending a clear warning to potential predators. Within its skin lies one of the most potent natural toxins known to science. Even a trace amount entering the body through a small wound can be dangerously strong, with experts estimating that a single frog carries enough toxin to affect several adult humans. This incredible defense mechanism has evolved to protect the frog, ensuring that its dazzling appearance also serves as a powerful shield in the wild. The Lancehead Vipers are among the most striking and well-adapted snakes of the Amazon rainforest. This fascinating group includes several species, with the famous fer-de-lance being one of the most recognized. As pit vipers, they are easily identified by their broad triangular heads and specialized heat-sensing pits between the eyes and nostrils, which allow them to detect warm-blooded prey, even in complete darkness. While some species can reach lengths of about 4 to 5 feet, most are smaller yet equally impressive in their abilities. Known for their potent venom, Lancehead vipers play a significant role in the ecosystem, helping to control prey populations. In the Brazilian Amazon, they account for most recorded snakebites. Their venom is primarily hemotoxic, meaning it affects blood and tissue, a trait that showcases just how specialized these snakes have become in their rainforest environment. Researchers have recently proposed a separate species within what was previously thought to be just the green anaconda, found deep in the Amazon rainforest. These anacondas are known for their impressive size and water-based lifestyle, found in rivers and flooded forest habitats. They are excellent swimmers and use the water's edge to their advantage. As ambush predators, they lie in wait for prey to come close before striking with incredible speed. Their diet includes fish, birds, mammals, and even reptiles, such as caimans or capybaras, when the opportunity arises. To subdue prey, they coil around the victim with their powerful body and constrict until the prey can no longer breathe. While older books report anecdotal lengths of 20 to 30 feet, verified individuals typically measure up to about 15 to 20 feet. The newly proposed Amazon lineage may reach similar or greater size, but scientific confirmation and detailed measurements are still ongoing. Deep in the Peruvian Amazon lies the Shanay-Timpishka River, often called the Boiling River, where the water's temperature can rise to more than 93 Celsius. Stretching for about 5.5 miles, this remarkable river reaches up to 80 feet across at its widest point, and can be as deep as 16 feet. To the indigenous Ashaninka people, the river carries deep spiritual importance. They speak of Yakumama, the mother of waters, a mighty serpent spirit believed to live within a snake-shaped rock at the river's source. Honored and respected for generations, the river continues to inspire both awe and wonder among those who visit it. What makes the Shanay-Timpishka River truly fascinating is the mystery behind its heat. The nearest volcanic region is hundreds of miles away, Yet geothermal energy somehow rises through the earth to warm its waters. Scientists continue to study this incredible phenomenon, which serves as a striking reminder of the Amazon's endless capacity to surprise and amaze. Among the Amazon's most extraordinary animals is the pink dolphin, admired for its large size, often bigger than a human, and the captivating legends that surround it. One well-known tale claims that these dolphins possess magical abilities, allowing them to transform into handsome men after dark. As the story goes, they use this gift to charm young women before returning to their dolphin form with the first light of dawn. Though the true origin of this legend is unknown, it adds an intriguing sense of mystery to these incredible creatures. Their unusual pink color has long fascinated scientists. Some believe it comes from blood vessels, located close to the skin, while others think it may be influenced by the environment, or even the dolphin's age. The exact reason is still being studied, but whatever the cause, their striking appearance makes the pink dolphin one of the Amazon's most distinctive and enchanting species. Among the Amazon's most surprising connections is one that reaches all the way across the Atlantic Ocean. Using data from NASA's Calypso satellite, scientists discovered that the rainforest relies on nutrient-rich dust carried from Africa's Sahara Desert, creating a natural system that links two continents. Every year about 182 million tons of dust rise from the Sahara, mostly from the Baudelaire Depression in Chad, and travel nearly 5,000 miles to South America. Around 27 million tons of this dust settle over the Amazon basin, bringing essential phosphorus and minerals that replace nutrients lost through heavy rainfall. Without this steady delivery, the forest's soil would gradually lose the richness needed to support its incredible diversity. This process is perfectly timed with the seasons. The dust reaches the Amazon during the dry months, exactly when the rainforest needs those nutrients most. This remarkable exchange between continents reveals just how closely Earth's ecosystems are linked. Changes in the Sahara's winds or climate can influence the health of the Amazon, while shifts in South America's forests may even affect weather patterns thousands of miles away. These 25 incredible discoveries represent just a tiny fraction of what's hidden in the world's most mysterious rainforest. Each creature we've explored today has evolved unique survival strategies that seem almost alien, reminding us that the Amazon isn't just a forest, it's an entirely different world with its own rules and dangers. Which of these Amazon discoveries shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments below if you'd ever be brave enough to explore the Amazon after learning about these incredible creatures. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing discoveries from the world's most mysterious places. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for being with us. Leave a comment, like to show your support, and remember to hit that subscribe button for more exciting videos. See you next time.